This is a simple macro filter test for the Insta360 Ace Pro action camera. If you don't have another camera with you with a wider range of focal lengths, this will help enrich your close-up shots. There are two things you won't like. It's having to put the filter on and off the camera to get back to the wide shot. You will also have to adapt to a small focusing interval. Image geometry is predictably distorted. And the lens glass does not have any optical coating. You can buy it for less than $10.